Here we go. The area of the rectangle below is 12. As indicated, the diagonals meet at a 60-degree angle, it's labeled there, opposite side AD, that's where that 60-degree angle is. What is the length of the base, AB? Is it square root of 3, square root of 3 square roots of 3, 2 times the square root of the square root of 3, 2 times the square root of 3, or 2 times the square root of 3 square roots of 3? Seema, what's your answer?
Is it B?
Is it B?
B is incorrect.
It's about 5 seconds. Joseph, what do you think?
E.
Is it E? It is E. Yes, very good, Joseph. So now you've got $1,000. Still have the graphing calculator. And now here's your chance at the $2,000 bonus. So here we go for $2,000. This got kind of a logic puzzle. Among the following 5 statements, which are listed 1 to 5 below, what is the minimum number that must be true? And here are the statements. At least 3 of these statements are true. Statement 2 is at least 1 of these statements is false. Statement 3 is there are more false statements than true statements. Statement 4, statement 1 is true. And statement 5, if statement 3 is true, then statement 4 is false. Now what we plan to do is do how they have the Jeopardy theme that they play during Final Jeopardy. What we're going to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 true, false. So I want everyone to chant that as oh no. And so then the choices are, Joseph, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. The choices over there on the right, A, B, C, D, and E. So now, did you do this one?
I said D3.
D3, and that seems to be a popular answer. And Joseph, what'd you say?
I said E4.
You said E4? Well, I mean, not too many people chose that, Joseph. That's a pretty dumb answer. And so, but you said you're somewhat confident here.
Yes.
And then what made you pick E4?
I thought that 2 and 5 had to be true.
Yeah?
And so then either 1 or 3 had to be true. And if one of those was true, there are at least 3 true. So 1 was true. And if 1 is true, 4 is true, and 3 can't be true.
Okay, so that gives you 4.
Yes.
Right? All right. Good thing we didn't have an F5. It might have been harder to think. Probably hard for all 5 of them to be true. So you chose E4, so you've already won $1,000, Joseph. Do you want to know the answer, or do you want to just walk away with $1,000?
I'd like to know the answer.
Okay, all right. All right, so does Joseph get $3,000? He chose E? Yes, he does!